Hi everybody! So this is going to be kind of a fun one. I'm going to be going to my local Clay Connection to do a Raku firing. And for those of you guys who don't know, usually when I do my pottery, I'll put it in my kiln, I'll bisque it, put glaze on it, and then glaze fire it to about a cone 5, a high cone 5, which I can't remember off the top of my head, but it's over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. So Raku is an alternate kind of firing. After it's been bisqued, it goes into a Raku kiln, and the temperature is a lot lower. It only gets to about 1850 at the highest. And then the difference is that we'll pull it directly out of the kiln while it's still hot with tongs and stuff. And yeah, that's what we'll be doing, and it kind of creates different results. So we throw it into a trash can, it reduces, or I put horsehair on it. So I'm just gonna kind of take you through the whole day of us doing the Raku fire and all the different pieces that we make. Probably feature some other local artists around here too, which will be awesome. So stay tuned. Oh, and if you have any questions about the Raku, or don't feel like I've explained something, or would like more information, feel free to leave a comment, and I'd be happy to answer any other questions you might have about it. So I had 2 pieces survive. I had this one, got a pretty sheen to it. It's like everywhere you turn, it's a different color and a different sheen and matte, and that one random spot right there. Here's the other one that survived. I'm having a hard time picking up all the color on the camera. I don't know if you guys can see. There's so many colors, reds and blues and yellows. It's really pretty. And this piece didn't crack either, so I had 2 pieces that survived. And then we got the horsehair, and none of them survived. So I don't know if you can see, but there's a bit of a crack going there. It doesn't go all the way through the plate. It's just the surface, but you can definitely tell it's cracked. It's not making a pinging noise, more of a thunk. And then these ones cracked like way worse. It's like the whole piece cracked. Oops, sorry. All the way through. So then you can kind of see right there, it kind of goes all the way down the piece, down the neck. So none of the horsehair survived without cracks. But we got these two pretties, so it wasn't a total bust. And then I wasn't really able to do as many pieces as I'd like. It was a lot busier than our Rakus usually are. So I was pretty much just videotaping and recording and stuff the entire time. Hi everybody, so I want to thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed that video and kind of enjoyed tagging along with me, even though you know, it was more virtually than in person. Sorry I didn't have a whole lot of footage. It was really busy. It was hard, you know, to get videos and stuff without there being a lot of background noise and stuff. So next time we'll plan it out a little better. And then I was also thinking of possibly getting like interviews and stuff from other artists. Leave a comment below if you would like to know about other potters and stuff in this area too. And I just think it would be kind of fun to interview people and stuff. And like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember to make messes, make mistakes, and enjoy that process. Bye.